Welcome back. A new year also means new goals for your money. What are your financial resolutions for 2019? Paul Fain is here talking about that. Paul, there are so many things that people want to improve every time a new year comes around, and finance is definitely no exception.
That's right, Daniel. I was looking at one survey that had saving more in the top three, tied for first place in the top three. So, you know, what do we mean save more? Well, if you're getting your financial house in order, I think it's a great idea to say, I'm going to save $1,000 in a money market or a CD this year. Less than 40% of Americans have $1,000 in savings, so it's a great
puts you in good shape.
Yeah. For those unexpected bills and things like that. Consider maybe setting up some separate savings accounts for specific goals. It could be travel and vacation. We're always dipping in for car repairs and house repairs and things like that. And think about this, maybe set up a separate account and save 1/12 of your mortgage payment every month and make that extra mortgage payment at the end of the year. You could shave four or 5 years off your mortgage.
So that's a realistic, manageable goal. What about a bigger goal, like getting out of debt?
It takes a radical commitment. It can be done. It can be done in 6 or 12 or 18 months. You just got to have a radical focus. You've got to obsessively track your progress. This is my opinion. You've got to go through some short-term pain with your budget to get that long-term gain. You know, what's going to be your plan? Maybe you need to consolidate some debts, or maybe you need to use Dave Ramsey's Snowball, you know, pay off the little ones first, then the bigger, then the bigger, then the bigger.
Yep.
Maybe tackle the highest interest rate costs. Be creative. You know, every time we go to a garage or closet or attic and pull out some stuff and sell it in multiple venues, you know, we've got $200 or $400 or $600 we could pay down debt with.
Right. Okay, so you're always good at putting out fires, Paul. And this one is a big one. People are looking at the markets right now and saying, what is happening? Is there any way we can tie that into all this?
Well, absolutely. I think, you know, first of all, there's chaos in the market, like you said. It's probably going to continue in 2019. Don't quit. You know, now's not the time to quit being a long-term investor. So what's your panic plan? I mean, think about it. What's your panic plan? If the market's already down 10 or 20%, as you're saying, what if it goes down another 10%?
You're supposed to keep investing, right?
You're supposed to keep investing. How are you going to think, feel, and act? We were talking about during the break. If you're going to act, I hope you're buying low. You know, it's a fire sale sometimes when stock prices and other markets are on sale. And I guess let's leave our viewers with this. If you're going to invest on a regular basis, consider investing in a local community charity. Make it a monthly commitment, whether it's $10 or $20 or $50, to invest in our community, make it a better place.
That's a great tip. As always, Paul, it's so good to have you.
Great
We're
to
going
see
to send
you.
things